We select a patient who's got loads of observations. I'll show you the observations charts. Click on observations. This is the observations chart. This follows the UK News 2 standard. There is automatic calculation of the news score, and you can choose how things should be displayed, which things should be graphical and which things should be numeric. If I want to enter a result, it's very easy, and I can do this at the bedside on a tablet. The layout, it becomes optimized for a tablet. I simply put in the data that I want. Let's put in some blood pressure, a pulse, 24, 38.5, alert. Make the oxygen a bit low, and they're breathing air. Click submit, and PatientSource will then do all the calculation of the early warning score. And you can configure all sorts of business logic, such as escalation for sick patients. Here we've identified that the News 2 score is above 5. It is, it's 10. And therefore, based upon that, this is the configured alert that is being displayed, which prompts the member of staff to do the right thing. They'll also be prompted to fill in an appropriate document to alert people to what's been going on. And these actions that you can configure can include mandating somebody fills out a document, can be sending a message to different members of staff, which can be a text message or an email or an in-application message. And it can even be to put the patient automatically onto a work list, such as a critical care outreach list. Just fill that in, and that completes that task, adds it to the patient's clinical notes, and that will stop me being prompted